Hey everybody, so this question is asking us to find the mode, minimum value, maximum value, and range of this table right here. Now in this table there are two sets of data values. There is a set of data values for Dauphin Island and for Grand Isle. So let's look first for Dauphin Island. So mode is basically a value that appears the most in a set of data values. So let's list out the data values. We have 51, 53, 56, 60, 62, 70, 72, 75, 80, 82, 84, and 84. Now I've already listed this in order from least to greatest, and that'll come in handy later, and I'll explain that later. So, looking for the value that appears the most, it would be 84 and 84 because it appears twice in this data set. And it seems to be just 84, so the answer would be 84 for mode. Minimum value is basically just the smallest value in the data set, which is 51, and maximum value is the largest number in data set, which is 84. So minimum value would be 51, and the maximum would be 84. Okay, now let's erase this first. In order to find the range, we just have to find the difference between the largest value in the dataset and the smallest value. So the largest value in the dataset is 84, and the smallest value is 51, so we'd have to minus 51 from 84, and that would equal 33. So range, the answer for range would be 33. Okay. Now let's look for the answers for the data set of Grand Isle, Louisiana. Sorry, it's a bit messy. Okay. So let's also list this data set in order. So in order, this would be 61, 61, 64, 65, 70, 70, 77, 77, 83, 83, 85, and 85. Now, looking for the mode, which is the value that appears the most, we can see that 61 appears a second time, 70 appears a second time, 77 appears a second time, 83 appears a second time, and so does 85. So the modes for this data set is 61, 70, 70, 77, oh, we don't have space there, 80 and 83, and 85. Okay. And the smallest value, the minimum value, is this, 61. and the largest value, which is the maximum value, is this, 85. And the range, let's erase this first. The range would be the difference between the largest and smallest value in this data set. So 85, 85 minus 61 would equal 24. So the range is 24. And that's how you find the mode, minimum value, maximum value, and range.